What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'm here at St Leonards in request for Alex Ewan. Here we've got Waratah A49 departing platform number 1. Also Tangara set T94 first half arriving into platform number 2, heading towards the city. The rear half is T93. The weather's a bit bad today, which is good in a way because the sun usually makes the trains and everything look a bit darker, so the quality of this video might be a bit better, so that's some good news. Got a K-set departing platform number 1. The Waratah that you just saw in the video, just saw next to the K-set, is A42. I didn't film the rest of the Waratah because I didn't want the guard to be in the video. Anyway, the K-sets was K75 and K98. Got a Waratah arriving onto platform number 3. Actually, yeah, sorry, I just noticed something. The platform I'm standing on is platform number 2. This Waratah is arriving on platform number 3. It is A69. And this platform here with a fence with no trains is in fact platform number 1. So, apologies. So disregard most of what I said before about what platform's what. This platform here with no tracks and a fence is platform number 1. This platform with no train on it here is platform number 2. And the Waratah here is on platform number 3. That's a odd mix. Had an okay variety of trains today. We had a K-set, Tangara, Waratahs. It's better than just Waratahs in my videos. I like a bit of variety. If we're lucky, you might see an Oscar, maybe. And I doubt it, I really doubt it, but maybe an S-set, because I actually haven't seen an S-set run Sector 3 in Hornsby for quite a while now. I don't even know if they're running Sector 3 anymore. Got a K-set approaching platform 2, K64 is the set. Rear half is K95. On my way here from Epping, I actually saw quite a few Tangaras along the Epping to Chatswood rail link. This K-set is a Blacktown service. There's a Waratah next to the K-set. A27 is the set. A27's departing. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Favorite this video, I would appreciate it a lot. I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.